Yan Simon watching or whatever pounds media na soko. Nibre ni emtiri yese what's na say. Na oba be share soko said ye no. And a pay mama watching bloggers mu na my crowd or mobile trade na my crowd or maybe mu. Enti ya kwanim na enema hodo won said the identity achiro mu na afi yadane ama eye meneka cha interview eye ene ho nkomo e ba ye ne ade atumi akwanim. Ya hwɛ ene you asomasre ewo asoko St Andrews SHS was what found kwaday from 1 2 and 3 nay say placement enram ko pie mu a friend say cafe yi bia kwaday bi wa boss self or yeah fa wo good self placement na mfa utum say yes things gone bad enti misra wada be modi atutu adamawe na ekwa St Andrews we teacher fo akuku dam papa bi ebo no so ewo form we no St free SHS kura was a 3 times and 3 times first second third when a double track system be 3 times regular school no more no St Andrews SHS here was for so wo fan kwada into fan kwada braho 0244696911 and your number 0244696911 and 0207891004 say admissions they to me place ubano now pesa akoda no school na double track na so e bia wankasa wani nya ho ene de aba no we wo mpa na pe 3 times ni bia St Andrews jinkwale no matumi ahwe na o mako school asoko me sponsor eno no mo me kai wo say na Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic say Nemo wa mane unya agenkwa garlic plus ni bi yuso a ebe boa blood circulation ene mo dane ende fusere ya ote wa 1 2 so ne otetaleba ho na wada ne mfoni na de decoration wonkrofo eba ho ene underbridge and overpass bomodi akope ebi na enom na ntume mo BP no na emra form was stroke infertility halitosis de ukọ maso e wonunwa adogon obuduru ha betimi akọ na o mahwe wo 0243983906 na mameda gomba say ana pay kope de hiada titu ne ointment no da kanu de last stop fato de mo china seminti wo na akwa akoda yi afama no ene akoda bi na apeso ohun ade afama no wankasa rush segu anum bi yade ye BP fa bi fa wanum ne fa tare ebo yi papa afa de hiada heba mesa de hiada macho capsule ye memedro de hiada capsule ni na abeboa wo yi repatch ventures tina 30 na obenya bi ato NY Echa Ventures ewo I edu road to J Crescent Chehwa from 0242 046 783 0242 046 783 Kingdom Edwin Rupa Bama Obiada ya obenya de na ochefa e ma de tremendous wonu mo ana ebua candidates ni ade yifiri wona ho echi na afa mema de a new Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules eno your friend baking kind wonu mo ya abon say ne ma pege mu Kingdom Garlic Bitters be boa ma blood circulation na boost immune system no na tumi ama yade basa etiche wonu nyina fru so asiku heba meseo wose na edro papa na aba mountain so malaria fever na yetu na sise yi asiku no wose brain na yetu ma obi moringa no ni prekese na afa cinnamon no eno wakeka bomo no wode ma wo na pa bi etu akoton de a o nyira Abrepo Kumase Junction was Abrepo Junction opposite Methodist School and adjacent UBA Bank from 056056 1111194 0561111194 Aba washing powder na watwe we usi ne ma menim washing soap crowd this year mesra woto aba otum se wo hia perfume ya usi we mu ehwam eyi nkeka wani fin nyina one touch na de ne se wo mo a wo makola Aba house Wamu adesio nti yade a utum se wamu ayere from 0278883244 and afe yakọ eye Badwam herbal mixture and capsules so Badwam herbal mixture and capsules syphilis ni gonorrhea severe waist pain menstrual pain disorder candidiasis nyina da Badwam herbal mixture and capsules so na ebebo awo baby e to nro bi omo obi wo ho titu no unique herbs mo ye wo bogoso another the herb ye wo kumase ana pokin swok ye one crying ana amen say water crate from 055 3511501 055 3511501 o mada roma and ana pay ya say she abo amane etia wo say niema etese na emom de oso masene aso what the so the amame nei and nura was ya nura me for trotro jack e be ewu trotro me ti kura di misika driver ndi misika ni nyina sa aso apeja e jana dere dare man ko photo hye won asem no so ye nkyere mu ye na ante ase wate me for opportunity ma kyere mu yi we watumi ate ase ensem amudie ne nkomo amudi ofie ne edi ho nkomo mesra wo wuti we wakapan se da no ge ye o de be ne ye otonwum ya wadidi mu akopie mu yi asru bafwe we kwa mamie menyankopo mehwe we waka ase ge ne pon no ongada waka enti wuka so a wuka ne such a way say obi otie bi asem ne baya ne de na anu mi sia tale so pon no pa o enti ya metra se asoko ne mabisa ama wo na wono watumi atrem wakyerem se bi a da bi we milk bi a menom na atumi ma me ye kokko a wate ho ase ne ye kwa anim wo pema wa na wo ka o se akwa we no aso we go so se wo pema pa o na mabisa dad pema o enya ne papa was me na de wan ge na makofa no na ye kwa anim na wo watumi ate ho ase so on the assembly etu de mayen konko fa asoko promo no ye fa asoko promo na wahunu se de ade na nkasa ne dwumadie ne nti ase ene ne ntremu mo hwe ne yen komra ne nto aso adwana na pabia sebe na ya brefo dan so meti makonwa hunu no se asoko
ye wo yen ni pe gu wiase over 7 billion obi ehun yankopon da
wa wo hwe bie wani be soko e ma de oti wa ye interview ono so ye de be soko masa oto be dere
Old Testament say yankopon dem na ne bai New Testament so
na so so ni na me ni say na me na
oh
enti which one you say
me gina wo gidie so e de
me gidie na wo gidie de
fuwa so for catch
na wo gidie ni so me kura me de wo so kura wo de fa de me ebedare pasa sembisa bia ya na ye pese ye tie hinta ebinum ntumi bisa na soko ye bisa
them but we're the first group in Ghana that we mounted with Radio France International, a festival in Daniho. We've been the first group to be on Calabar Festival. We've been the first group to be on African Movie Academy Awards in Bayelsa State.
That Wizkid is bigger.
Wizkid is bigger, yes, not two ways about
and
it.
And can sign you, but you claim
Wizkid can never sign me.
Adom TV. You see a so-called now so what you should say. Me say, a best so-called. Adom TV. Ya da se me to aso so-called nam de brewo. Kofi Ampadu Welbeck akwaba. Kofi akwaba.
Yeah, nia.
I don't answer.
Ademinzu.
Oye Kristo ni.
Pa.
Oye so far na say oye.
Me nyame adwuma.
Kristo ni na o ta hwe guest sa hwe mo ge wo fa ge.
Nyame abode de ye ndi ye.
Na o Kristo ni Bible aka say utrim. Se o hwe oba na utrim even if only ne nko fa no kra na otumi ka say fan ya na say wafa no. O fa ma pa o fia na.
O quotation me.
O fa guest rough.
Se me enhwe.
E wo utrim utumi hwe ge. Na etumi admase ge no ho fa ni trimu ye ni ade a. Fa na wie enti o Kristo som na abafom o fa guest.
Ndi ma fenti die.
Enti asoko ni bido. Me producer ni mesrewa. That is my producer. He Ampadu Welbeck, or didn't me producer ne we Germany and no free ha e de copy mu we Germany or no church questions ma me na pay what run can me try picture. Me try picture or try my picture questions like ho na wa hu say I don't go in the territory and I soak all the issues, no problem. I soak all the insults, but he wrote a soccer concept. Kofi asoko no dey ntina o de buy.
E dey ntina ye de buy.
Wo ye trained journalist.
But dey me journalist.
Now on the journalist how to create programs asoko. E ma ne page wo wi asesa dey o ye.
Na se me producer. Producer adwuma ne se bio ofa ade ketewa bi. Na okeka boom na ye kese na nipa nyina.
Enti what brought about asoko? There ne ba utirima oye wadwen say obe create controversial programmer ebetimi ama amanfo atwa bon krofo yere no ama na ye yi. Ene yes me say mfata kra say be why my problem.
On say Ghana hankasa no. There ya na ye problem pa na say. No kra ho ye ba ko pewo. No kra nya mienu. Bible say the truth and the truth shall set you free. No cray, and a many pardon. But ye cray, we Adom Ababi who back on say, Obi atel wasem, but own to me musao. And so no one am much no cano. in other ways a for. The concept of Aso Koo is supposed to I was say oba ha say ya de obie ntimi musa o ene yebusa
de omo e ka wo fie
de wan kasa what ya wo kan wo fie a ebia unya opportunity emusa na ya unhia no ba bia emusa
unhia no so a unya kokuduro musa
unhia no kra nso a hwa no we nya kokuduro emusa no ende ye yadwen say ensem a enkrofo ekeka no hu hyehye o mu tirim no ye be try a na yebusa eno no krampo no enye si yebusa say ye de embarrass nipa no ena me di kan ka cho say no kro hu e ba akopɛ eto da say unya nkyerɛkyerɛmu bi free nipa na hɔ a ɛma entiase ni mu dɔ se na ebe ya ebia nipa no okan ne say ana oye say but on say bro from be cause and effect bibia wo adekronti a esi at a certain time and ye pesi ye hu the context within which they see any see ene no kra ewum se na ebe ya wo gina ba bia wo ka no wo be kan te say de etie pepepe but Aso Koo ne say wotena ha enam se yebusa no kra nti no kra na no ehye nti eso te say ja but eja no so wi a eventually no a healing nipa akoma e ma obi aye okay na nyina ye move forward
nti na ko for buy but it creates a lot of controversies. People believe say now journalists there san ye this question san ye to no ko feel say me and I'm translate choro na me wi amakeka de mpech na nkofo and probably the way we go about it in papa ntikebe insem
nana de me pese obi a de to ni trim ne say entumi nya personal attack da de ye no ha bia no enye personal ye nya ya adwen say ye be fa obi ni yagu nanim ase da bi but on say ade na ye no ye na say na be ya wo a wo ti fie no ebi kra na wo wakakoti bibi efiri obi ho ebi kra wo na wo de sa question na ma ye ye musa so at as ye but obi ti akira a ye say ye problem aye wo ha na say ye na ye gin crofo questions any ye musa and bibia ni wono ma na efiri say ye start this program we see bibia ni wono ma ye busa ye bosirimka anase ye boye tirim na yaka ye nioma ewo online ewo your friend say what interview nipa na ko anase ye but ebi ho no mpo a na enam say bia platform na nipa ni use ye ni sa enti no sa ansem na entimi a masoro enti adon betena ye platform ne so pe enam say ye so na ye Adom TV enti no na baba be ye kese enti enye ya adwen say bio ye begu obi anim ase but say de me kana ensem a ehye otiri ma bia wonti
enti wo mo a aba program ne so no give me a few of them na comment or mo ankasa pass after wo free ha
me kai nipa baako brother Same me nia brother Same me na me friend no this is what we do before say nipa no beba program no your friend na ye ne kasa enya say obi adane yakotwe na free ndem ne dia betra
na yenkeka ho nsem
Same me friend no na say me nia Same ye program bi say me share the program from beginning to end and I make catch and say ye be busa questions bi wo hono ma ebia ordinarily no ko any other platform bi aso ye ntimi musa enti shows up on you so what I say ebia de ebe man nipa na I feel a little bit offended me say ebia nanu nsi na ye busa na sem foforo but eno no kra na ye wo a very limited time ye busa a lot of questions enti no say ye hu say nipa na drag with the answer na e was ye move to another age enti say what ifie na say wo misinterpreting na say na ya na emu ade na ya na enye journalist na debi enye na ya na enye journalist eye ensemfo bia edoso a ye pese ye busa ye ntimi musa na ebia ye hu say nipa na drag on bibi but all things being equal ade bia ehya ase a enyini na program na ye ne enipenti ne ye wo a woti fie no wo nti ne ye sa program so we are taking feedback ye hu concern social media messages ni ade a almost sending ye hu ni nyina so what we hope to do is say we will tailor the program ye be mianche kakra ne mianche kakra ne mianche kakra but the most important thing is that de enti a yɛde asɔkɔ ɔbaa no sɛ yɛbɛma wo information na ebia unyanka obebusa but untimi musa eno de yegyina ho
te so ohema de
ohema o yebebusa ekwan bia so de etie bia yebebusa ho aha nti yebusa o saa na it doesn't mean anything. The most important thing is that nokre eye ba akope.
But people, I've had some messages from other people on Hard Talk CNN.
Yeah,
I'm sure say you've also watched it.
Yes, it's Hard Talk harder than the Obuse. The Obuse they say a friendly match. We interview presidents near their day to the extent what me catch will be say so we say anything the all you corrupt. So what I say and oka and I'm so ye broni nti nkofo fa na say broni de oka na adwen nti sa hands so cons ye kan adwen
say we your gospel artist na wa wo na nware ya.
Oh, I know they say it depends. It depends on the context.
But what would somebody say outside? So what all your gospel artists now wow and so warrior and now you're shuffle wow and so warrior obi attention would see it sessing.
Nti say wow unware no. We are not necessarily interested in wow unware no. We want the truth. E ya ampa say wow ana unware. Okay, say una wode ho and waware na wonwoe. Eno ye wo personally.
And na wonware ye na wawo.
We ye wo asem. What as ye but no kra ne say e ya ampa say wonwoe waware but
wonware.
Wonware ba wawo. No kra no ho ne de to. Sanity. And we won't go around it. Straight.
Aso Koo had my opportunity to understand concept no net and then we move on from there near to also with Aso Koo. A lot of I must say Ghana phobia some to some extent it will be an answer. Yeah, natural kaka. I don't know your baby son, you can wear them. But we are bold now, Bob until maybe Sapena and also create another issue. And those are some of the things. I remember Chewan Komo say it was a friend in America who, and it's about months back, and my friend said, "Hey, me who Chewa or Diana or restaurant?" I'm like, "Yeah, she's been out of the country for a while." Or no, who he was surprised, and no trap pictures because he was surprised. Oh, but she's an actress or Ghana. So what brought her there? You understand? Which probably we would take Ghana. Maybe I wouldn't say to but only what she does.
Yeah.
And would if you make mention of that, do you believe say it would be out of malice?
Debbie, and I me can say. Obia ni one more obesha da babet na has say for fa obi na wagu n'anim. The truth of the matter is anana edme a show business o. Enye show ne keke o business ka ho. Enti
show a business can.
Yes, enti yet adona ye ne yet ase. But as much as say yet the business aspect of it, we also want to give you a show. You would always want to come back
and watch.
Obesan ba wachi say obaba behwe. Say obi fa no personal me sorry. Nipa no on just step back, tone down
and rewatch. Thank you. And one on Mraso. Say, yes, so you're to me sorry, so yeah, a lot of episodes on Aso Koo or YouTube. You can go watch and rewatch and rewatch. Me kai say, yeah, Abraham Moshe, me kwa America, I was top of the Obia wanted to know, I mean, somebody to crash that man down, and they felt that was done. Aso Koo, so I don't know why today he has become an issue. Mamin crowd, going be also, it was Aso Koo, so you need medium because you had by this year.